I want to share a specific red flag that I saw recently that is absolutely hurting business owners, and they don't even know it's happening. If you have an agency running your Google Ads and you notice that your campaigns perform amazing for about 3 days or so, and then all of a sudden performance falls off a cliff, you're likely being manipulated. I recently audited an account where the agency was launching a brand new campaign every single week. Why? Because the algorithm was just grabbing the low-hanging fruit, people who already knew the brand and the warm audience, and once those people bought, the results dropped. So the agency would just restart the campaign to fake the results again. And if you want to know if you're actually acquiring new customers or just recycling the old ones, you need to watch this video. I got 3 specific red flags written down here that distinguish the experts from the amateurs. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dan Kabakov. I'm the founder of Online Labs, and I've been in the trenches managing Google Ads for 10 years. And I help businesses move away from the vanity metrics and actually generate real results and real profit. The barrier to entry to start an agency nowadays is absolutely zero. This means that there are a lot of people learning on your dime. And my goal with this channel is to help you audit your own account so you stop wasting money. Before we get to the first point on the list, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this to other business owners who might be taking for a ride. Done? All right, let's go. Okay, so let's start with ad agency red flags. Red flag number 1, no exclusions scam. This comes from a massive misunderstanding of how the algorithm works. If your agency is running broad campaign to find you new customers, but they have not excluded your past customers or the warm audience, this means that they're lying to you about your results. Without exclusions, the algorithm is lazy, so instead of getting this new cold audience, which is the top of the funnel, it goes straight to the bottom of the funnel to get the warm audience, people who already purchased from you or were interested, visited the website, etc., etc. So for this audience, you need to have a separate retargeting campaign. But if you target all at once, of course, it will go here and the results might look very good at first, but then it will drop because this is a very small audience and you need to get this cold audience, go down this funnel and become warm audience. Let's go to red flag number 2, the restart strategy. This is actually ties to the first one, and I call this a 3-day insanity spiral. So if you look at your change history in your account and you see that your agency is constantly shutting down the campaigns and then reactivating them at a few days, this is a major warning sign because it usually means that they don't know how to stabilize the ad account. They launch a campaign, it hits that low-hanging fruit, as I mentioned previously, and then after a few days, the CPA skyrockets basically, and because they ran out of the warm audience. So instead of fixing the targeting or the creative, they just reboot the machine to make the numbers look good for another 3 days. So it's kind of like up and down roller coaster. And the last one, red flag number 3, communication void. And this is pretty serious. I learned this one actually the hard way. If you send an email with the 2 specific questions and you get a reply after a week answering them partially, you need to run. If they are ghosting you or their emails are vague masses of words with no punctuation, it's actually a sign of how they handle your account. Specific questions deserve specific answers. If you ask, why did our ROAS drop last week? And they say, oh, the algorithm is just learning. This is an agency speak for, I have no idea what I'm doing. You need a partner who can explain you things, how they work, and the why behind the data. Look, marketing is getting harder every day. The algorithms are smart, you have the AI, but they all need guidance. So go check your account and ask your agency, are we excluding past customers from our cold traffic campaigns? And watch the reaction. It will tell you everything you need to know. If you want to learn how to actually set those exclusions up yourself, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to doing a deep dive on campaign structure in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.